didn't even get to cross.
Hey guys, welcome to vlog number 4 at GP Customs. This week we got some really cool projects, starting out with the WRX that we actually tinted probably 2 weeks ago. The customer came back to us. It's got some awesome work wheels on there, and we are actually putting an AirLift 3P air suspension kit on there. So it's going to fully sit on bags. You'll be able to lower it, raise it all the way back up, and you won't have any problems rubbing or driving it down the road with the snow on the ground. We also have a Range Rover coming in. It's a 2019. The interior's disgusting on these things. It's all digital. You can move the radio around to anything. You can move the climate controls to any location you want. It's a really cool vehicle. It's coming in for a full black package, paint protection film on the front end, and a ceramic coat. We're finishing the wheels in gloss black, and we're painting the calipers red, putting the factory Range Rover badges on there to make it all nice and original. Also this week we have 2 ceramic coats. One of them is on a Tesla Model S that we're finishing off with Ceramic Pro. And we actually got a new BMW X1 that came to us from one of our good customers that actually had it brought down from the dealership in Omaha, and we're going to ceramic coat the whole thing to protect it and make it ready for the winter. That's what we have lined up so far this week, so stay tuned. We may have a couple surprises for you as well. So we have this 2018 Chevy Camaro here. It was wrapped for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Now the customer is getting ready to put it back on the lot, so they brought it to us. We're going to strip it all down, show you guys how easy it is to strip these vehicles and how to make them look perfect after we take off the wrap, so now they can put it back on their lot and get it sold to a customer. support. We just got done doing the black lettering on the back, as well as the black striping on the back. Full clear bra is done on the front of the vehicle, and now we're getting ready to spray the calipers. We have it on blocks. We still have to tape and mask everything, tarp the whole vehicle, scuff, and get the calipers ready for paint. We use body grade materials, so we're going to use some high heat paint. And then we're putting the OEM stickers, of course, when we're all done, so it looks all original. Today we have a 2018 RAV4. This vehicle was brought to us for a one-button remote car starter. We specialize in remote car starters here, especially on newer and late model vehicles. This got one of our CompuStar systems. We're an authorized Pro CompuStar dealer, which means that some of the Pro products that we offer you get a 2-year warranty with, which is phenomenal. With this simple remote start, you can lock by pressing the button 1 time, you can unlock by pressing the button 2 times, and you can remote start by pressing and holding the button. If you guys have a vehicle that needs a remote start, or you're looking to keep warm in the winter, please feel free to give us a call here at GP Customs. We'll be more than happy to give you a free estimate. you by Chipotle. There to fight your hunger when your boss won't let you take a break. Hey guys, so wrapping up this week at GP Customs, we got a lot of stuff done. We finished up on a 2019 Range Rover Sport. We ceramic coated the whole body. We protected the front end with SunTech Ultra PPF film, the best on the market hands down. We also finished off the wheels in gloss black, red on the calipers with the factory Range Rover badging, and of course our signature black package in the window tint that really sets it off. We also got done with the WRX with a full air ride kit from AirLift. The vehicle goes up and down. He's able to drive in the winter, slam it at car shows. Really gives the car a one-of-one look. You don't see too many cars around like that. We also got done with the BMW X1, touched up a couple scratches, full paint correction, and then sealed it with ceramic coating. Ceramic Pro, of course, the best on the market. Now he's ready for the road and able to make it through the winter without damaging the vehicle. Stay tuned for more videos like this. If you like it, put a comment down below and make sure you like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching, guys.